Image tips for Instagram ads. Being a part of the business world, you need to have effective and flexible advertising techniques. Whether you are a neophyte or a seasoned entrepreneur, you have to be equipped with efficient strategies to market your products and services. Social media like Instagram is one of the most perfect marketing solutions ever. Remember, using the best images is highly imperative. Below are some salient tips that will help you decide on the amazing images for your Instagram ads. Do not compromise quality. Advertising your business's services on Instagram can lead to success. Nevertheless, make sure that you use excellent quality images at all times to impress and entice your target audience. When you do not know how to integrate quality photography in your advertisement, there are reliable service providers that you can call on. Thus, use spectacular images to leverage the social networking site to your advantage. Use powerful images to convey the message of your ad. Aside from quality, you should employ powerful photographs in order to express your message. Since many people do not have enough time to read texts, powerful images could be a huge help. Once you are able to do that, you will never have a hard time increasing website traffic. You can give a comfortable experience to your future clients as well. Include your desired customers. Images offer a number of benefits. One of those is they can be used to effectively show your target audience. When your preferred clients are millennials, you have to be careful when making your choice. Never use a photograph with middle-aged individuals as your goal. You have to be specific in your picture so that your clients will never be confused. Provide ads that convey strong emotions. As a business owner, you have to provide Instagram ads that are compelling, not only to people's minds, but also to people's hearts. As a result, you'll quickly see many positive changes in your business. You'll also make them realize that you have services that can lead to a worthwhile investment. If you have been trying your best to create images without amazing outcomes, be patient and make plans. Surely all of your efforts and sacrifices will all become valued and effective. Make your images SEO optimized. To do this, you have to think of famous search terms and hashtags. As a result, your Instagram ads will have better search engine results that will ensure website traffic and more potential customers. Though you are not an expert, you can succeed as long as you are optimistic and steadfast. As a business owner, you should grab the success that Instagram ads can give. Nonetheless, you have to employ quality images to make an impact on your target viewers. They should also evoke emotions to persuade them accordingly. Even though it may be hard to create effective photographs, you can achieve them with time and patience.